YouTube, hey, it's me again. Today I'm showing you a video of some updates on a forge burner I'm making. And basically I got most of the parts. I got the hose. I'm just machining out some pieces on the burner. I'm going to add a clip of me using the lathe, even though my lathe has to be fixed now because something fell off of it. And I'll get back to you and I will show you what I got done so far. So stay tuned, watch the next couple of clips, and I'll show you what I got. Enjoy. There we go. Took all the threads out. Should be good enough. And maybe I'll do a little more. Anyway, I'll save you the trouble of watching this whole video. Hello YouTube, it's me again. This is what I did on the lathe here. I machined this nice and smooth. I basically took out most of the threads inside, basically for airflow purposes, so that way when the flame shoots out of here it doesn't, whatever. So I did this side. And since this is the intake and I have to weld something on here, I machined this off a little so I can get better weld. This side I just did, let me take this off here. This is the burner thingamajiggy. If you go on YouTube and watch a million burner videos, you'll see I basically did this. I gotta deburr this part. But that's pretty much what I did so far. What I'm going to be doing is attaching I'll show you this. I'll stand it up here like this. If you stay tuned for a second here. I'm going to somehow attempt to attach this hose so it shoots propane into here. How I'm going to do it, I have no idea. But I might do like the dude on... Hey, where did that extra little thing go? There was a piece in here. Oh, we lost a piece of copper. Anyway, there's a piece of copper. Oh yeah, here. Basically, this is the nozzle that's going to shoot propane in there. I might go buy another longer threaded piece. I don't know. This screws in the line, and that is the propane thing coming out. So if I put it in here somehow, weld the thing on there, and I don't know. I could make an adjustable airflow thing, but I don't know. I might weld. I haven't figured that part out yet, but I've seen a really cool thing online how to do that. And maybe I can, I don't know, throw it back in the lathe and machine off this so it looks nice and perfect. But what the hell for? Because it's just aesthetics. But it would look nice. It would look nice and pretty. But it looks nice and pretty with all this shiny metal. I didn't do the greatest machinist job, but hey, for an amateur hack, not bad, right? Plus, it's only about the 10th time I've used this lathe. So, enjoy. Thanks for watching. And better edit that part out. COVID. Just kidding. But yeah, edit the sneeze out. Don't forget, Chris, edit the sneeze out. Yeah, I'm probably going to put, I don't know, like, there's one video where the guy adds a little piece of metal here with a cap on the end, puts the burner somewhere and shoots in here so you can adjust the air. I don't know. I don't know if I have the time, effort, or even patience to do that. I might just put the goddamn thing in here and put some type of... I'm going to get an extension for this so I can put it in there and probably put a piece of whatever in there. So, not a piece of whatever, but put a piece of metal... I don't know. You look online, you'll see it. I'll show you. So anyway, watch the video. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned. I got a few other things. Like I got a few other, yeah, whatever.